I never thought I'd be where I am today. Grateful you kept me and I'm covered by your grace. I know you ain't proud of. You continue to shower me with your love, and it's so amazing. Oh no, you're so amazing. You're so amazing. You're so incredible. Yeah, you spared my life, and I'm glad that you did it for me. Yeah. You're so saving me. It's amazing how you heal me. When I was on my deathbed, and from that moment I realized how powerful your love really is. You're so amazing. Yeah, 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 yeah.
You know about him, but he has proven to me so many things in my life. He healed me, he revealed to me. Now I can see how he's amazing.
Every day with you is amazing.